Most people get this wrong and assume you have to choose either a gift card or a credit card when shopping online. That's why so many users get confused at checkout or think their gift card isn't working. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trying to manually split the payment like you would in a store. Online platforms don't always work that way. Here's the truth no one tells you. On Amazon and most major online stores in 2026, you don't manually split payments step by step. Instead, the system automatically uses your gift card balance first, and then charges the remaining amount to your credit or debit card. Once you understand this, the process becomes completely effortless. In this video, you'll learn exactly how split payments work, how to set them up correctly, and how to fix issues when your gift card isn't being used. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the mistake Alex made that caused his credit card to get charged the full amount, even though he had a gift card balance. Let's start simple. When you add a gift card to your account, it becomes part of your digital wallet. So when John buys a $50 item and has a $20 gift card balance, the system automatically deducts the $20 first. Then the remaining $30 is charged to his credit card. No extra buttons, no special settings needed. But here's the problem. Many users think they must manually select both payment methods at checkout. That's where confusion starts. In reality, most systems like Amazon only let you choose one primary payment method, and the gift card is applied automatically in the background. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your gift card isn't being used, it's usually because of a small setting issue. Sometimes your credit card is set as the default payment without allowing gift card priority. Or your gift card balance is restricted to certain items, like digital purchases or specific regions. To fix this, always check your payment settings before checkout. Make sure your gift card balance is visible in your account wallet. And refresh the checkout page so the system recalculates the total. Simple actions like this solve most issues instantly. Another tip is to remove and re-add your payment method if the system keeps skipping your gift card. It sounds simple, but it resets the checkout logic and forces the platform to reapply your balance correctly. So yes, you can split payments using a gift card and credit card. But it's not a manual split. It's an automatic system that prioritizes your gift card first and charges the rest to your card. To wrap it up, remember this. Add your gift card to your account, keep your credit card as backup, and let the system handle the split. Once you stop overthinking it, checkout becomes smooth and stress-free. If this cleared things up, hit like, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple payment fixes and online shopping guides.